Hi everyone, my name is Michaela Rifu and I'm from Sturgeon Falls, Ontario. I'm currently in my third year of the criminology program with a minor in law and justice. So Laurentian's proximity to my hometown, only being an hour away, was definitely a bonus. However, when I first visited the campus, the main two things that stood out to me was the smaller class sizes and the welcoming environment. The criminology program here at Laurentian isn't just about studying crime, it's also about challenging our system and rethinking justice in a whole. The main thing that I find unique about the program here is how we dive into real life cases with also being able to speak with guest speakers. Like so far I've had the chance to speak with attorneys, officers, politicians. So far with a lot of references that I've gotten from professors, I've had the opportunity to work with the OPP detachment back home, which is just great to, gain those skills and that knowledge for my future down the line. So personally, my plans are to attend law school after my last year here at Laurentian, and I do feel like my professors have equipped me with the best knowledge that I'll need for my next years at law school. I want to note that while your studies here at Laurentian are very crucial and important to your future, it's also as important to have fun because your years here do really fly by. We have great campus activities, we have sports intramurals, varsity games, and we also have an on-campus beach, which are just great ways to kind of shift your focus from your studies. I'm personally involved in the volleyball intramurals, and it's been the highlight of my university years, and it's actually where I've met some of my best friends. So I highly suggest you doing that when you come in for your first year. And I also would recommend Laurentian for the great job opportunities they offer to first-year students. I got hired here in my first year with the Domestic Recruitment Office, and they've just had such a positive impact on my years here so far.